Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of TP-Link 5-port fast USB charger that promises to charge 65% faster a USB device. So here we have the specs in various languages, and as you can see here, you can connect a tablet, camera, your smartphone, your iPod or a gaming device, and all that with the charging capability of a USB port of 25 watts. And there seems nothing else to mention, so let's open the box and check it closely. Now I have to say that the presentation is quite nice. There's a really premium-like packaging, and here we have the round USB charger that seems to have a blue ring as it was presented in the box. So let me take it out. So this is the device itself. Well, it seems that it has some accessories in it, but okay, we'll check it later. Let's empty the box first. This is the charging cable. It seems quite long. And here we have the user guide with all the important information about how to connect this device in various languages. Okay, that was nice. Now here we have also this smart card with all the product specification. Okay, and another piece of paper with more details about this product. Now this box seems to be empty. That's officially the end of it, and you have a nice rectangular empty box. Now let's check the device itself. Here is all the included paperwork plus the charging cable. Now inside here you can see, okay, there doesn't seem to be any other accessory. That was my bad. So opening this plastic sleeve, we have the TP-Link charging device. This is a glossy plastic with this blue plastic ring around it, and we have here all the USB ports, and here we have a M.A.D plastic, so this area won't be scratched. We have 5 in total, and here we have the power connection, and below it we can see there's a grippy surface that sticks on the table. This is really nice. So this was the unboxing of the TP-Link 5-port USB fast charger from M.A.D. Tech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.